Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making DIY Mother's Day cookies. And if you're interested in more small batch recipes like the one you see here, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with the You Are My Sunshine cookie. And I'm starting by outlining this cookie with some thick white cookie glaze. And then I'm just going to fill this in. And using my scribe tool, I'm just going to fill in all these little gaps right here. Now I'm going to take a stencil and I'm going to take some more edible spray and I am going to put little dots on my cookie. And as you can see, my cookie is looking a little less than stellar, but that's okay because we're going to work with it anyway and it's going to be really, really cute. So here I am using a petal tip and I'm just going to make some really cute petals to make like this really cute 5-petaled flower. The next thing I'm going to do is take my scribe tool and just make sure that all my petals are laying the way I want them to lay. And then I'm going to take some of these little pearls here for the center of my flower. And then using a number 18 tip, I am just going to do like a little swirl right here to kind of make it look like a little flower. And now I'm just starting my letters and I'm using a number 2 tip to write sunshine. And I'm using the same yellow that I'm also going to be using for my sunflower. Now I'm just going to clean up my letters a little bit with my scribe tool. This kind of helps if my letters are like sticking up in places. I can kind of just set them back down nicely. And then I'm going to finish with the writing. So here I'm going to put you, are, and my. Now I'm going to take my leaf tip and I'm just going to add some leaves on here. I'm also taking that number 18 tip again and I'm just adding a few more little fun decorations to kind of fill in the space. Now we're going to go ahead and get started on our sunflower cookies. I'm beginning with a sunflower cookie, but you can also use a circle, and I am using a leaf tip and I am doing a nice burst of pressure and just gently letting go. And I'm going to do 3 rows on this cookie. So in between each row, you want to let them dry for at least 20 minutes. Otherwise, the petals might kind of fuse together and you don't want that. Once you've finished all the petals, you want to go ahead and let this sit for about 30 minutes before you add in your center. And I am just using some brown cookie glaze and I'm filling in my center with that. And I'm just going to use my scribe tool to clean all that up. And I am going to take some chocolate sprinkles and I'm just going to add it in the center to finish off my sunflower. And that's it, you guys. Really quick and simple. Sunflower cookies, perfect for Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will catch you in the next one.